TikTok for Business. TikTok ads tutorial for beginners. How to advertise on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can use TikTok Business for your ads and to promote your products and your business. So let's get started. You know, TikTok is very famous now and it's everybody is on TikTok now. TikTok has gained a large audience over these years, and now everybody is kind of like looking to promote their services, their business on TikTok because millions of people are using TikTok every day, scrolling, watching videos, and we can run ads on TikTok as well. So TikTok has its own business like Facebook and Instagram. There is TikTok for Business available as well. So we can go ahead and create our own professional campaigns on TikTok. We can run ads very easily with TikTok Business. So what you have to do is you will simply go to tiktok.com/business and you will land right here on this website. So this is TikTok for Business. TikTok for Business allows you to create your own business account. You have your own personal account on TikTok, right? But you can also create a business account and you will link it to your Facebook, your Shopify, your WordPress, wherever you have your business. And you should have a legal business to create TikTok for Business account. And it is right now not available in some of the countries, but it is available in the United States and many other countries as well. So what you can do is once you are here, TikTok for Business, you will simply click on Create Now and it will allow you to create your own business account on TikTok. So to create TikTok for Business, what you have to do is you will simply, add your email information, and then you have to select a country or region. So this is where you will actually find that what countries are available, and if you do not see your region, you can simply contact TikTok to know if it's available in your region or not. But we have United States, United Kingdom, UAE, we have Norway, New Zealand, we have Japan, Ireland, then we have Italy. So all of them are actually available: Canada, Denmark, Australia, Brazil. So you will simply select your country. Let's go with United States right here. Then you have to select the industry. You are definitely in an industry, right? Your business. So you will select it if it's game, if it's media and content creation, if it's other services, and offline retail or e-commerce as well. So I can add media and content creation, audio and video production, books and magazines, news and others. So I'm going to go with video and audio production. So we have a business name. So I'm going to go ahead and add this name. I'm just giving you an example. You will actually add your legal business name right here because they will verify it. So you will add let's go ahead and add. Then you have to select the time zone, and then you have to enter your phone number as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and add phone number in here. Then we have currency, which is going to be USD. Then click right here that I agree to terms and services and click on register. And now they have sent a verification code to your number because I added this number. You will simply verify your phone number, and after that you will be able to create your business account on TikTok. So now the question is that how we can use business and how you will be able to run ads with your TikTok business and how they will actually help you with your campaigns and to promote your business. So because TikTok is a large platform now, and what happens is that you will be able to run the ad on TikTok. There are different options available. What happens is, first of all, you choose your goal. Whatever your goal is, for example, you're doing promotion, or you are running ads for your maybe YouTube channel. Whatever your goal is, you will simply select, and then you select your audience. What happens is, in audience, what you can do is you can select audience like age. You can select the region, you can go with manual audience, you can go with automatic audience, and you will also get your estimated board where they will tell you that how many people you are actually reaching. And after that, you set your budget, like whatever your budget is. For example, if it's $40, it's $50 per month, it's $20, you will select it, and it's not that expensive. And then you simply design your ad with different templates and layouts available. And this way you will be able to, create an ad for a small business. And then you can also use TikTok for large businesses as well. And again, the procedure is actually quite similar. You simply go with choose your goal, select your audience, set your budget, because of course when it comes to a large business, then you will be able to go with a custom targeting with locations and languages, and you will be able to kind of like reach more people. Then you can schedule your ads for later as well. And then you can add details, such as you can add images and videos, of course, because it's a TikTok, it's going to be in a video form. Your ad, you will add a text. And then you can also go with awareness, where you will be able to reach a lot more people. You can go with lead generation and different campaigns as well. So this is for large businesses. If you have a small business or a large business, you can use TikTok ads. It's not that expensive as well if we compare it to Facebook and Instagram. So TikTok is not that expensive to run ads on, and it has larger audience. And if you're wondering that, oh no, my product is actually for not for teenagers, and TikTok has audience between let's say from 14 to maybe 20, so I don't want to sell on TikTok. Well, that's not the case, because everybody is on TikTok, and you can actually select a target audience, and you can select the age group as well. So this is where these are the different options and features available on TikTok ads to help you create your own professional ads and promote your business. Then with TikTok, of course, we have our own creative center. Well, creative center is like all in one, and I wanted to actually show you that you can actually create top-notch ads with your creative center as well. Because what happens is that with TikTok Creative Center, I am actually right now on ads.tiktok.com/business/creative center. So you can see right here, I can go ahead and create my ads with my creative center, and it will allow me to add videos. It will allow me to add, a lot of other things as well. For example, I will be able to review my product. I will be able to add videos. I will be able to add photos, and I will be able to add text. So this is how we kind of like go ahead and add them. And you can also check out example and inspirations on Creative Center. So these are all inspirations available for you. If you are a beginner, then I would suggest go ahead and check them out. Then you will have a better idea that what kind of ads you can run on TikTok, and what are the different tools, features available. And this will actually help you different ads that you can simply create on TikTok. And then you can also go to tools with video templates that will actually help you also get an idea that what are different tools that you can use to create your professional ads on TikTok. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members, so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part, and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.